Hi guys! I decided to make a video teaching you guys how to make some melon water or cantaloupe water. I think there are a lot of things that growing up like in Mexico and having a Mexican family, that there's a lot of things we do differently and some things that I can share. And this is one of my favorites because you don't waste the whole cantaloupe. Like, you use the seeds, you don't use the skin, and it's a really refreshing, very flavorful drink. And so I think it's great for everyone to know how to do this. I am a huge fan of cantaloupe, so it's actually really easy. All you need is a blender, a knife, a spoon. I don't have any clean spoons, so this is what I'm using. And then you can sweeten it with sugar, or if you're on a diet, you can use stevia, or honey, like whatever, So I'm just gonna cut it in half and use just the middle, like the seeds. And I've never tried this, so hopefully it'll work okay. And you just dump all that in there. Oh, and you'll need a strainer, colander thing. Sometimes, like in Mexico, we don't like to waste food, obviously, because it can be kind of expensive. So if the cantaloupe isn't good, like let's say it's sweet, it's not really edible, you can just throw the whole thing in the blender, take off the skin of course, but you can just make it water. We do the same thing with watermelon. If the watermelon doesn't turn out good, then we just blend it up, put some sugar in it, make it watermelon water. So here's some water. And I am on a diet, so I'm going to use some stevia. But obviously, if I'm going to make it like for my stepkids, then I would use a little bit of sugar, even though they don't mind like the stevia. But anyway, okay, I'm going to blend it and then I'm going to strain it, okay? So once it looks like pretty blended, then what we're gonna do is just throw it in the strainer. Oops. It's okay. And as you can see, those seeds are gone. If you just get that water out, what you end up is with something that looks like that. And my mom would throw this back in the blender with more water and just keep going, get more out of it. But I just do it once, and then we end up with this thing. And then what we can do is, I like to put ice in it because this is really concentrated, and so that's why I put like extra sugar, because I'm going to put ice or water and it's all going to be it's going to be more watery. Like right now it's a little bit thick, like fibery. I got the cup. It's my favorite Harry Potter cup. And you can see it's a little thick, so might have to even add a little water there, even with the ice. Could use more sugar too, but that's how you do it.